What's up guys, it's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a scrapbook, so let's get right into the video. Okay guys, the first thing we're going to do is take a blank spiral notebook and we are just simply going to decorate the front. And you can take scrapbook paper, construction paper, really anything will work. Now you just want to take that piece of paper and lay it on top of the notebook, turn the notebook and the paper over, and now we can just trace around it. We can now cut along our traced line, and then we can just glue it in place. And then after you have the piece of paper on, you can add different little details like buttons, stickers, pom-poms, and even letter stickers that spell out the word scrapbook. And for the edges, we can simply apply some decorative tape. For the inside, I simply just took about 7 pieces of notebook paper, took some clear tape, and then just apply it around the edges. That way they can stay together. Next, we're just going to take some cardboard, place it onto the notebook, trace around it just as we did with the paper, cut it out, apply some glue onto the notebook paper, and glue it in place. After the glue dries, we can add some more scrapbook paper on top of that and repeat the same steps we did for the cover for the inside. After we get it glued down, we can cut little triangles out of our leftover scrapbook paper, and then we can glue them down in sort of an abstract design. Next, I cut out some more hearts out of the same scrapbook paper I used for the triangles, and then just glued them down in place. I also glued some yarn around attaching the 2 hearts. To keep the cardboard with the paper together, I just used some decorative tape and put it around the edges. I did the same for the side and the top. Next, you can simply just add your photos, the title of the photo, and when they were taken. And you can put how many ever photos you want depending on the size of the picture itself. And this is what the pages should look like after you're done. I also decorated the backs because I didn't want the cardboard or notebook paper to show. And as you can see, I didn't put any tape on the edge of this one, so this is what it looks like without the tape. This is what it looks like with the tape. I also added some stickers and a few designs that I actually hand drew myself. And that is all for this scrapbook tutorial. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Comment down below if it worked out for you guys. And also tap the red subscribe button down below. That way you guys can notify whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!